My name is Falgun. I'm studying second B. I made a charkha. It is used to make khadi using cotton. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I'm Jahan Jason studying in class 2B International Indian School at Dubai. On October 2nd, every year we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Gandhiji lived his life with acceptance and practice of truth, non-violence, simplicity and faith in God. We all have heard about the three wise monkeys of Mahatma Gandhi representing the principle. Covering his eyes sees no evil. Covering his ears hears no evil. Covering his mouth speaks no evil. Dear friends, if Gandhiji was living at the present world where Corona is wreaking havoc all across the world, turning our lives upside down, what would have been introduced as the fourth wise monkey? Surely it is do raho, keep social distancing. Dear friends, like Gandhiji, I also hope and request everyone to give the fourth monkey social distancing as much as love as we gave to the other three. Let us fight together and I see a ray of hope and believe normal life will become back soon. Thank you. Happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Good morning, teacher and my dear friends. I am Harsh. I am studying in 2nd standard. My school name is International Indian School. Today I am going to say about Gandhiji. On 2nd October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year. It is a non-violence day in India. We celebrate this day as a national celebration in India. We pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi in his memorial, Rajpath, Delhi. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, Patit Pavan Sitaram, which is the favorite bhajan of Gandhiji. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Vikrant Singh. I study in 2nd B. Today I am going to say about importance of cleanliness. Everyone thinks that cleanliness is a physical activity. In fact, it is a social and mental well-being. As a human being, it is our responsibility to promote safe and hygiene well-being. We can maintain cleanliness in our day-to-day life by following some simple rules like empty our dustbin regularly, keep our bathroom clean and dry, keep our bedroom neat and clean, and tidy up our living room. Stay clean, stay healthy. Thank you.
My name is Faisal Khan Patan. I am studying in 2nd B. Today I am going to speak few words about importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness is a habit of maintaining our home, and surroundings neat and clean. It is an essential quality required to live a healthy life. There is a famous proverb which says cleanliness is next to godliness. Some of the benefits of cleanliness are: it increases self-respect, it enhances self-confidence, it improves mental and physical health, it shows discipline and punctuality. Cleanliness is important topic now because due to the lack of cleanliness, a large population is dying every day. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched a campaign called Swachh Bharat. As an Indian citizen, all of us should show our active participation in fulfilling aims and objectives of this campaign. Thank you.
Good afternoon, I am Saura Misra. I am going to tell about the importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness is a good habit which help us to make good health. Cleanliness is as necessary as food and water. We should recycle the things which we can do. During current season, we should give importance to cleanliness to save our life. Thank you.
Teachers and my dear friends, happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. Today we are here to pay our tribute to our father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, India. On that day we celebrate the Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji always lived his life with truth, peace and non-violence. Gandhiji's three monkeys are: do not speak bad, do not see bad, do not hear bad. My dear friends, in my opinion, there should be fourth monkey holding a book on his hand, because Gandhiji said that if we want to reach in this real peace in this world, we should start educating children. Thanks, and once again, happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you.
Good morning, respected teacher and my dear friends. My name is Muhammad Adil. I am studying in class 2nd B. Gandhiji's full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. Gandhiji was a son of Karamchand Gandhi and Putlibai Gandhi. He married to a woman named Kasturbai. Gandhiji has 4 children: Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas and Devdas. He died on 30 January 1948, age 78. And this is Gandhiji's photo. And this is Gandhiji's sign. See here. Thank you and happy Gandhi Jayanti to all.